Hello everyone, my name is Claudia Tuttle and I'm the Marketing Manager for Accurite. Today I'm going to be talking about our 7900 family of products, one of our most popular heavy-duty solutions. You should use this product for heavy-duty applications and wider drawers, up to 42 inches and 350 pounds. We see this product being used in retail casework and also in industrial applications and toolboxes. This product is BHMA and AWI certified. One of the unique things about this product is the bridge bowl retainer that helps with the synchronized movement, making it smooth and consistent every time. Another feature about this product is that it can be installed in multiple ways. It can be installed on the side of the cabinet as a side mount, or it can be installed under the drawer as an undermount or flat mount. The 7900 family of products comes in two options. The 7950, which is our standard, and then the 7957, which comes with a lever disconnect. The lever disconnect makes installation a breeze. You can install the cabinet member and the drawer member separate and then put your drawer back into place. The 7900 comes in many lengths. You can find even lengths between 12 and 36 inches long. Something that you should be aware of is that the 7900 products are handed, and you should pay attention to this during installation. If you want to know more about the 7900 family of products, please visit Accurite.com.